that all his name is a true. The barony, her features ever famous, and if we'd loved her, then who was there to blame us? For wasn't she the bride of Petravar? But her beauty made us also shine up. A man could look her in the eye. Boys, oh boys, sure that's the reason why we're mourning for the bride of Petravar. Eileen Og, my heart is growing grey ever since the day you wandered far away. Eileen Og, there's got fish in the sea, but there's nothing like the bride of Petravar. Friday it's the fair of Allintubber, and Eileen met me grad a couple jobber, and I tried to set me mark upon the rubber, for he stole away the pride of Petravar. And he never seemed to see the girl at all, even when she oiled from underneath the shawl. Looking big and masterful when she was looking small, most provoking for the bride of Petravar. Eileen Og, my heart is growing grey ever since the day you wandered far away. Eileen Og, there's got fish in the sea, but there's nothing like the bride of Petravar. And so it went as it was in the beginning. Eileen Og was bent upon the winning. A big McGraw contently was grinning, being courted by the bride of Petravar. Says he, I know a girl that could knock you in the fits, and after this Eileen nearly lost her wits. The upshot of the ruction was that now the rubber sits with his arms around the bride of Petravar. Eileen Og, my heart is growing grey ever since the day you wandered far away. Eileen Og, there's got fish in the sea, but there's nothing like the bride of Petravar. And boys, oh boys, with faith is hard to grapple, and not for me, oh, his Eileen was the apple. And now to see her walk into the chapel with the hardest featured men in Petravar. Now boys, this is all I have to say. When you do your curtain, make no display. If you want them to run after you, just walk the other way, for they're mostly like the bride of Petravar. Eileen Og, my heart is growing grey ever since the day you wandered far away. Eileen Og, there's got fish in the sea, but there's nothing like the bride of Petravar.